So the next thing you want to avoid is using dull scissors or scissors that aren't meant for cutting your own hair, and instead opt for real scissors that are meant for cutting your own hair. Again, a lot of people that I've seen, they're using scissors that are meant for cutting like paper, or they're using kitchen scissors for like cutting meat. Like, I don't know where these people get these ideas, but don't use scissors like this. Right? They make scissors explicitly for hair cutting, and they're lighter, right? You see how hard, right? You can just hear, I have to really push in order to use these scissors, but these guys, look at that. Look how light that is. I barely have to use a muscle in order to use these. Now, the beautiful thing is, if you guys want to check out, I don't know if I have these exactly, or maybe they changed on Amazon, but literally there's sets on Amazon for like $15 to $20. That's it. That give you a scissor, like a full-fledged scissor, plus the thinning shear, and then a few other things. Sometimes they'll come with duck clips, sometimes they'll come with a comb, sometimes they'll come with a brush or a neck duster. Right? Sometimes they will. They're like 9-piece or 10-piece sets on Amazon that you can get for literally under 20 bucks. And boom, you've got literally like, what is this? I think this is, I'm not sure if it's Japanese stainless steel, but these are stainless steel scissors, and they cut really well. They're super sharp. I've cut myself on accident with these things multiple times. But you guys, just to keep it simple, please don't cut the top of your head with scissors that aren't meant for hair cutting. Get yourself, spend the 20 bucks to get yourself some real professional stainless steel scissors to cut the hair on top.